So I'm gonna go through and name some of my favorite features of each car that I own. SVJ, favorite thing is probably that you can't afford it. Pagani, favorite thing is probably because you definitely can't afford it. I look at the Yaris, I think I like the fact that you can't afford it. And then I look at the Rolls Royce Wraith, the Rolls Royce Ghost, the Rolls Royce Polo. I really like how you can't afford it. GT3 RS though, this big ass wing, the fact is you can't afford it. The i8, I like it because it's not that expensive, but you still can't afford it. And then I look at the McLaren 720S and I think, man, you probably can't afford it. And that's my favorite thing about it.